Hey guys, we are back. We're continuing Unit 3. Yesterday we talked about the triangle sum theorem. So we're moving on to our next theorem within this unit, and it deals with these vocabulary terms. So we're going to go over these terms first, so then that way we can apply them to the actual theorem. So first things first, we're going to go over interior angles, and we just talked about that when we were talking about the parallel lines being cut by the transversal. So key word to remember interior is you can think of inside. So interior, inside. So when we think about that, our definition is an interior angle. And again, you can follow along. I will leave these in the folder. And you can follow along as notes if you want, or you can just come back to the video. It's up to you. So interior angles of a triangle is formed by two sides of a triangle. Okay, and then examples, it says in the triangle to the right, angles, so all of these, so angle one side and two sides. So angle 1, this is at 1 and 2 sides, that's 2, and right here, angle 3. Okay, so those are the three interior angles. They are inside of the triangle. The next vocabulary term we want to look at is exterior. Again, we can think of exterior as being outside. Okay, so it says an exterior angle. Okay, is formed by one side of a triangle and the extension of an adjacent side. So what that means is an extension, again, you can think of as it keeps going, or an extension cord. It's really long. So what that means is, so we have our an angle formed by one side of the triangle. So here's one side. Okay, and then it says, and also an extension. So this is an extension of the base of the triangle here, where it keeps going and going and going, and the exterior angle that it forms is angle 4. Okay, so the next part says each exterior angle has two remote interior angles, and we're going to talk about that next. But then it says examples in the triangle to the right. Again, we talked about angle 4 is the exterior angle, because again, angle 4 is the only angle outside or on the exterior of the triangle. Okay, the last vocab term we need to associate ourselves with is the remote interior angles. So the remote interior angles are the two angles that are not adjacent. And adjacent just is another word for next to. So not adjacent to or touching the exterior angle. So if our exterior angle is, and let me erase this so we can get a better picture. If we said our exterior angle is angle 4, okay, we're looking for the two interior angles that do not touch the exterior angle. So in this case, it can't be 3, because 3 and 4 are adjacent to one another. They share this side of the triangle, which makes them adjacent. So angle 3 cannot be a remote interior angle to angle 4. In this case, angle 2 and angle 1 are, and again, it even has the example here. It says in the picture to the right, it says 2. I'm sorry, I don't know. So again here, we're talking about the exterior angle is angle 4. The remote interior angles to angle 4 is angle 2 and angle 1, because again, they are interior, they're inside. and they are not touching the exterior angle. Okay, so here in the fill in the blanks, I think there was a typo here. So if you want to rewrite this, you can say in the picture angle 4. Okay, oh, there we go. Angle 4 is the exterior angle, and angle 1 and angle 2 are the two remote interior angles. Okay, so again, we're going to focus a little more on that. So here we have a couple of examples, and we're going to read each one of these, and we're going to label or they would be in the inside of the triangle. So first things first, I'm going to label my triangle. I'm going to use a different color. So this is angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. These are all interior angles because they're inside of the triangle. Okay, exterior angles, so there's 3 exterior angles here. Here's 1, 2, and 3. Again, the exterior angles are on the outside of the triangle by an extension. So here, this line extends this way, this side extends this way, and this side extends this way. Okay, and remote interior angles, so again, that means that they're going to be on the inside of the triangle. So let me label these angles. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. Again, remote interior angles are inside of the triangle, but not touching the exterior angle. So this would be angle 2 and angle 1 are remote interior angles to angle 4. All right, so here's another one. Again, kind of the same thing. Our interior angles are 1, 2, and 3. Again, they're inside of the triangle. Our exterior angle is angle 4 because it's outside of the triangle on the extension here. Okay, and now talking remote interior angle. So since angle 4 is our exterior angle, the remote interior angles to angle 4 are angle 2 and angle 1. Again, because the remote interior angles have to be inside but not adjacent or touching the exterior angle. Okay, so here's an example for you to there's 2 questions for you to answer, and come back and see if you got them correct.